And then you gotta say on your marks, get set, go.
And your marks, get set, go. This is hard to get them both in the video.
And then you offer a witty commentary.
Okay, first, that is my dad right there.
It's not witty.
Versus.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Versus Lucas.
Versus.
He just said versus. I don't know why. Oh, in the background of Lucas, there's Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Okay. Then there's Lucas. I'm just a 7-year-old visiting. So
You're not visiting.
Wait, how old are you?
You're
7.
not 7?
How old are you?
8.
Yeah, you are.
Not 7, 8.
Apparently, he doesn't know his own age.
We'll be kind.
Oh my goodness, this is kind of hard. I'm against the wall, so I can't get.
Gonna end up ahead of me.
No, I've been moved.
Sorry about the videoing. I'm just
You
8.
stopped me, so now I spent a bunch of. I got this full stuff. Why do you do that? Is that straight off the cue? Oh, that's.
Teaching who's boss.
Oh.
Okay, I might have to get a little higher point of view to get them both in the.
Okay, tall bro, so.
Yeah, I can't see the video. Huh, I'm so tall. I'm taller than them
Yeah, I
both.
think you're ahead of me.
Yeah. Just gonna take a seat. Never mind.
Uh-oh. That's not
Lucas versus Dad. Who would win? I really thought Dad just won. Because I saw the white side hit the ground.
Oh, that's true, because you shouldn't put the cube down till you win, huh? So that's probably why it bugs you when I clamp it.
doesn't bug me, but I just was wondering what we did.
Dun dun. 2 minutes, 7 seconds have
Oh,
happened.
snap, Dad's gonna beat me.
But you don't know that for sure, Lucas Steele.
I do know. Hey, don't tell him my middle name.
Well,
Well, I guess
Middle
I
name's
did.
awesome.
I'm Cruz.
Yeah, but they're strangers. Stranger danger.
Home alone.
Why is that funny?
Home alone.
True.
Hey, you not stick this on here.
Band shirts. Middle schooler versus
All or mid.
pilot.
Wait, what? You're a pilot? Just kidding.
No, middle schooler versus pilot. Oh, not pirate, pilot.
Ah.
I like my survival kit. Sorry if this is bad. I'm bad at videotaping. Never done it. This is only my 2nd time ever.
This is the hardest step. Turn it left or right? Left or right?
Nice job. Wait, I'm almost done.
Lucas, the middle schooler, wins. How did a middle schooler beat a pilot?
Pirate.
Pirate. He's pirate.
Pilot.
Do you think they'll be...
That's literally 42 years old.
44.
44.
Really?
What?
And don't look a day over 20.
Mirror.
Ah, Dad, funny.
Sorry, I'm looking at myself in the mirror. If you saw the mirror, it's okay.
What? What are you doing? Oh.
Nice and cozy. Okay. Stool. Dad versus stool.
Oh yeah!
Dad won the stool.
Now, the tricky thing is...
Alright, you can push stop. Good job, Chris.